Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this video will be talking about how to increase our RAM in Windows 10 or Windows 7 or Windows 8, and we are going to use that by using a pen drive, which will be helping us to be able to increase our RAM size. And we already know that there is one we call Ready Boost feature, which is already in Windows, but aside that one too, there's another one which you'll be doing. So after this video, there will be one that will also be available probably in 2 days time. You can also cross-check them on how you can be able to increase your RAM size using a pen drive. Although not exactly, partially this pen drive will serve as a RAM, but it's not going to be the right way, and it helps to speed up certain features of the Windows operating system by storing application files and data as a cache in the USB drive. So basically adds as an extra gig of RAM to our computers. So we are going to do about two, as I said earlier on, but in this video let's talk about the first method. So first you have to go and locate this computer on your, so you have to click or right click on this computer, which is this. So you right click and you choose properties, or you can also still open up this computer, right click, and then you choose properties. All right, so over here you move down to your left side, which you have advanced settings or advanced system settings on your left top side over here where the cursor is. Then you click on that. So with this pop-up that appears here, you select advanced, which is already the default method. Then you click on the settings over here, which is in the blue highlighted mode. Okay, so again also move to the advanced tab here again at the top, and then you click on change button under the visual memory. So we go to the change button here. All right, so with this we have what we call automatically manage paging file system for all drives, which is the first thing here. So you have to uncheck it first. So when you uncheck, then in the customize box here, okay, but before then you make sure that you choose the new volume, okay, which happens to be your SD drive. So you first have to choose your new drive, which mine is a new volume here, and then when you are done, you have to come here to check or pick the custom size here. All right, in the initial size you have to type in the number of RAM you want to add to the existing one. So automatically I want something like 4 gig, but I'm typing in 3800 megabytes. Okay, then you move to the second one, which is the maximum size, also the same 3800 megabytes, which is approximately 3.8 gig. And when you are done, you click on set, but before then always add 10 megabytes less than the total available space. For example, if you have 4 gig pen drive and the current space available is 7.3 gig, then use 3.6 gig for the safety of your device, okay, for it to be able to work perfectly. And if you want to revert this whole thing that we have done back, just go back to the top here where we have unchecked the automatically manage paging files for all drives here. Then you click on it, but we are trying to see if what we have done will speed up our computer system. So I said you just click on set over here, and then you click on okay. So the changes you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. Alright, so you go to OK and then click on the apply at the bottom here, then you click on OK. So when you are done, what happens is that you have to restart your machines as the system required. Alright, so I'll be restarting it, but this is the end of our first video. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to also like this video if you really find it interesting. Share with your family members, with your friends as well, to also do as you have done to them. Alright, see you in the next video, which will also be another method of using pen drive as a RAM on our Windows 10, Windows 7 or Windows 8. See you in the next video. So meet again. Adios.